Hello, I'm Edoardo from Fardin Factory. I'm the sales manager and owner of my company based in Venice, Italy. We are showing here in EIMA and we are an AgriExpo partner from 4 years. We start with AgriExpo just first of all for trying the service, and we rebuy the service every year because now our 50% of invoicing outside Italy is made by AgriExpo contact. We work really well, the service is fast. When I need something, they respond ever. The suggestion at the other company that wants or ask for AgriExpo, try and believe me, works.